Okay, this is just a real quick intro to Spyder, which is the other IDE I would suggest you using, if not using idle. So basically go to Spyder and download it, install it, and when you type Spyder, you will get the app, and when you open the app, it will look like this. And now, if you want to think about this as your program window and this as your shell window. Now, actually notice that this is Python 3.7. It doesn't really make any difference. I would have to install it and I would have to point it at the 3.10, but it doesn't really make any difference. So right now, and again, we're going to do everything from the concept of a program. This is what I have. This is old program. I want to start a new program. I just go new file. Now, notice that it says untitled0.py. Also notice that it has comments in it already. All right. So we could add more comments. We should. That'll be a separate thing. But now let's just do our same program. Let's say print. Now notice that it's giving you all of this stuff that idle does not. Sometimes it's more helpful than others, but at least it gives you information. It also gives you automatic line numbers, which are nice. All right. And just like idle, I do not want to execute it from here. It has a little star. It says my changes aren't saved. So I am going to save as, and I'll just call this test Spyder 1. All right. And you save. And now notice it says test Spyder 1. I can have more than one program up here, and switching back and forth is much easier than it is in idle. But I have saved it. I want to run it. Again, I could go to the run, or if I just do the run file. And now notice, other than I get all these red messages, here is my output. All right. We don't have to worry about these. Now, notice this is in 1, right? 1. And now I'm going to be in 2, separate one. So now I'm going to say, hello world. Hello, my name is Craig. All right. Again, it will have the asterisk, which means that my changes are not saved. If I don't want to rename it, all I have to do is save the file. And again, run. And I get my red messages again. But now it executes the second time. All right. Notice this is console. So this is the start of what you do, how to use Spyder. Again, The only thing that I would say that if I wanted to do this, if I were you, where I would do file and save as, I would organize my drive into the program, create a program folder for the test and for if I were taking a class, whatever class I were taking. So it's just not in this big, library here, big unorganized library. I would create folders and do it. But other than that, again, it is the same as it is in idle. I have a program window. I have a shell window. I write a program. I save it. It has to be saved to a name, the .py extension. I run it, and I see my output in this console window. So that is all there is. Just wanted to show you this, and probably I would say to use this more than idle, but again, you're just doing an introductory class, have no plans of going on. Idle is fine. But I think this is better. It gives you a lot, it gives you the next step up without being too complex. So thanks, and I will see you later.